What are we doing today?
We're doing my car.
We're doing your car.
Yeah.
What is this car's name? What is the car? What do you call the car?
It's a 2020 Nissan Sentra, and I call her Nini.
Nini. You've been wanting a project anyways. I got you all the parts for your very own project. Is this the first thing you've worked on technically?
Yeah, my whole life.
Really?
I've never
That's pretty cool.
touched.
A tool?
Yeah.
Think about how inspiring it is, because you are definitely not the only girl that's even watching this video, for example, that has probably never touched a tool before. What do you have to say for all the girls out there who haven't touched a tool before?
Hell, I don't know.
Got the whole freaking, what's that called?
I don't know.
All right, next we have to take off the entire bumper. That bolt is the only thing holding the sides of this bumper in. You got to hold back on this, and then this 10mm socket you got to put up in there onto it. And now we will pull out on this. Ta-da. And now if you want, we can do the other side. Okay. Now if you want, you can pull the bumper back. Yeah, perfect. Just hold that and we're gonna pull it back. Oh, there we go.
Dang.
What you think?
Can we take this off?
Oh, you ready to dive to the next step? You excited? This is gonna look so good. It's so funny seeing your hands dirty. The whole thing about this is I kind of picked out all of these modifications. She's a little hesitant about some of the things that I chose. I did tell her if she didn't like anything, we'll remove it.
Do we unconnect it?
There we go.
So we just put it back?
Yep, that's technically called plug and play. We have to like add a little wiring harness to get the nice bulbs to work. Yours has just one main headlight, but this one's about to have a ton of different lights inside of there. Okay.
Click.
Click, click, boom. I'm coming down on your right. Okay, okay. Click, click. They're all connected, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so we can set it back up into place. I'm gonna tuck these wires while you do this. We're just gonna set it up into place. Is it working? Oh yeah, look.
That's so cool. What the f? They change colors?
I didn't know that. Bling, bling, bling. Look. Oh my gosh. There we go. Compared to this little dull thing, that is just ridiculously bright. I feel like I'm looking into the sun. Now that we pretty much know what we're doing, we can take out this side as well. Got that headlight ready to come out too. Hi. Okay, there you go. Oh yeah. All right, light number 2 out the way. We'll make sure we get this one going right too. Okay, lights are connected.
Whoa.
Ta-da!
That is bright.
Right? That's pretty exciting. I'm not gonna lie. I bet this car is gonna come out looking real good. And pretty quick and easy. We got everything connected. The next step, we're gonna replace the plastic little shrouds right here with a nice gloss black painted piece. That's gonna look way, way better. First one out of the way. Front end of this thing is honestly coming together pretty well. Look at that, gloss black, but the front end is not complete because as you can see, this thing got hit by a rock or a piece of tire or something on the road. And since the front end's off and that one is destroyed, perfect timing. This one just came in the mail. Oh snap. Brand new. Okay. Mia, your breath is kicking. Dang. Okay. Yep. The front end is actually coming together crazy good now. Just wait till you see the impact that all these other parts are gonna make too. This is just the very beginning. Now I can attach the light. What? Oh God. Now the light goes sliding in.
Okay, you got those.
And there we go. One side completely done. What does it look like?
That looks good.
It does. Now obviously we've already gotten the headlights working, but now I just got the fog light harness wired in, I think. So we're gonna run these wires. Now we'll plug this in. All right, go ahead. Let's see if we can see. Oh! Oh yeah, it looks so much better than you can think. Oh my gosh.
That's so cute.
Isn't that crazy? Dang. What? Oh my god. Dang. What we're doing next, you're gonna have to have faith in me. It would go something like this. I know it's hard to see right now. You trust me?
Yeah.
Okay. You heard it here, folks. What are we doing? She's been real upset about the rock chips. Not sure how it happened, huh? I would remember something like that or that, I believe. Got her a fancy dancy license plate cover. Had to get the valve stem caps. And we do have touch-up paint. We first need to prep the paint, so we're gonna grab a microfiber that's clean. You can dump some of that alcohol onto here. Scrub all that real good, wipe everything down. And I'll get this opened up. Remember how on your nails, if you paint too much, it'll run? We can't let it run, because it's paint. Yeah, there you go. Artiste. One coat. Okay, we're getting there. It's kind of time consuming, but it's very worth it at the end of the process. While she's finishing the touch-up paint up on the front, I'm gonna prep this whole piece. Yeah, got the turn signal in the mirror. The mirrors are firm, mounted in place. Oh yeah. The touch-up paint is actually making a really big difference on these little scratches and rock chips. So it seems like these are like a universal style, but they definitely fit really well with these cars. So I gotta figure out now how to get this to mount properly on here. First hole drilled. Let's put some hardware in it and see what we can make happen. If my cuts were measured accurately, this should fit. The side skirts already look so good. Only have a few more bolts to get those to firmly mount. Oh my goodness, we can put these on too. That's where those go, look.
Oh, that's cute.
Bling blinging. All the touch-up paint's done. Front lips on. And the side skirt is done.
I'm loving it.
For real?
Yeah.
Thank you for trusting me.
Thank you for doing it.
This is the first time I'm actually getting a real look at it. That looks like really, really good. The lip gave it so much definition, and then the side skirts helped out a ton too. That's cool.
Tail lights time.
Tail lights time.
Oh.
It looks good?
Yes.
Damn! Oh my. Wow. That looks really good.
I know.
There are 10 total projectors on the front of this car. We got a brand new badge. The front lip looks so aggressive. I have a whole new respect for this car, honestly. That's so cool. Side skirts. Just oof, oof. So it's safe to say we're 100% accurate as far as mods go so far. You like them all.
Yeah, I love them.
So we got 2 more to go. And you gotta let me know yes or no on these 2. We're gonna install one license plate light, and we're gonna see if you like the stock ones or my choice better. Oh, your license plate's gotta get taken off again. Oops, that's tightening. So now you can pull those down.
I connect it.
Yep. And then pull it apart once you squeeze it. Yeah, nice. We'll take the new one, plug it in.
Like that?
Yep. We want to turn the lights on real quick and you can check and see. We gotta make sure that you like it. Isn't that wild how much nicer it's gonna look?
Why they do me like this?
I know, that's what I'm saying. We can do small things that will make this car look crazy new. Oh, it lights up the bedazzled thing real good. I'm not gonna get a perfect score on my mods, am I? She's gotta not like something. You've liked it all? What? One more step to try, and this is the one that I'm the most nervous about because this is probably the most ambitious part. Okay, so we got the whole trunk cover that is now out of the way. And underneath here are all of the bolts and the connectors for the taillights. So nice. Oh, dang. Dang.
That looks so crazy.
Just wait. Factory taillight number 1. This is gonna go through there. Put the gasket back in so it doesn't leak into the car. Okay.
Whoa!
Tell me what you think. Do you like the other ones or do you like these better? Okay.
What? Gavin, look at it.
I know, that's what I was saying.
I love it though. It's cute. It does look kind of mean, huh? Like mad. Like
It does, yeah.
Out of my way.
We are moments away from having this car completely done and getting a final look. We get to go and take it to the gas station. I'm gonna fill you up with gas. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
Stock one out of the way. Now this one, perfect. Just push it all the way up. Oh yeah. Now you can tighten it down. I'm proud of you. Look at you go.
Whoop whoop.
Perfect. Now we have one more light installed. Just goes to show you, it doesn't have to be a 1500 horsepower car to have a respectable build on anything. This is so cool. Okay. Okay. Mechanical confidence is going up. Perfect. And there we have it. The final look is complete. Goodness gracious. Let me turn on the lights real quick. Alright, if you've been watching long enough into the video, then congratulations, because you get to see the GT350 start up. 1500 horsepower cold start coming soon. But first, give it a start. What? Yeah. I'm pretty blown away.
It looks like a whole new car.
I know. It really does. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
Yeah. It looks so good.
I like the black little.
Yeah, that does look so good. Was it worth it?
Yes.
Happy with the outcome? I'm happy you like it. I'm seriously blown away. Of course. Even got new Michelin tires on that thing. Sheesh. And now, for the first time in a long time, I'm gonna give this thing a cold start. Goodness. See how good yours looks. Already from here it looks so good. Dang, look how bright the lights are. Dude, no way. What? Wow. Look at how good.
It looks so good.
It does, doesn't it?
I can't wait to see it in daylight.
And there we have it. Complete transformation. Time to go see if everything that we did is actually worth it. The biggest complaint that she had was that she couldn't see at night. So you gotta let me know what you think. This thing doesn't even look like the same car at all. Look at the lights. Dang!
Wow, nice.
You can definitely see the road way better. That car looks so good. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
You deserve to drive something you're proud of.
Even the touch-up paint.
I know, huh? Oh, look, that's another Sentra. You're stunting on them right now. You were oh, they're honking. What's up? They literally just gave you a shout out. They thought this thing looked good, I swear. That is so cool. What do you rate it?
A 10 out of 10.
All right. Unbelievable, dude. That thing looks so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, do something special for your girlfriend this Valentine's Day. Go pick up one of our new designs at itsjust6.com. And for now, comment down below and let me know what you want to see next with this car. This was actually a really fun project. We had a ton of fun, and for her first time, you guys gotta comment a W for her. She did so good. I'm so proud of her. This is so cool. Pretty sick car, to say the least. But anyway, we're going to grab some dinner, so I'll see you guys next video.